Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dollar General weekly ad preview for the dates January 25th through January 31st. Now we're getting a little bit closer to the Super Bowl, which is scheduled to take place on February 8th. So let's take a look at some of the good deals that they've got. So of course there's going to be a lot of snacks and drinks. With the start the day savings, they've got Frosted Flakes and Raisin Bran. They are 3 for $7 for these catalog cereal. They also have the 2 for $4 for the Clover Valley version. There's also some deals on coffee, $5.95 for the K-Cups. And of course, there's super sweet deals for the Valentine's Day candy. So be sure to check them out. They are buy two, get one free. Now for the game deal, they got the digital coupon. So be sure to clip that in the Dollar General app. They've got save $5, and there's a lot going on in these promotions. So there are game deals, there are Tide deals. So you'll want to take advantage of those. You'll also want to be sure to clip the coupon for the Snuggle, Persil, Purex, All Dow, and Soft Scrub. It looks like there's a $1.25 coupon. And then you can save $3 when you spend $15 on any brand shown in the ad. Now moving right along, we've got some deals on the Scott paper towel. Instantly save $4 when you spend $20 on any Scott paper towels or bath tissue, Comfort Plus, or 1000 sheet. Now, if you need some deals on decor and more, they have buy one, get one free for the wall clocks or mirrors. Also, buy one, get one free for furniture, for pillows, lamps, and also kitchen or dinnerware. So you want to take advantage of that. On to the big game, bigger savings. They've got tons of deals on drinks, chips, and also on dips. So if you want to get ready for that game day, again, Dollar General may be the place to go. Tombstone pizzas are 2 for $10, so that may be a better deal than your local grocery store. If you're running low on Hidden Valley Ranch dressings for the side, they are on sale this week for $4.50. Now we're going to go over to win your watch party for under $12. So again, chips and dips seem to be the theme, along with all types of drinks. So you can stock up there. They've got a switch to save. So they've got the Clover Valley deals versus the name brand. So you'll want to check that out if you like the Clover Valley brand products. On to the dips. They've got buffalo chicken dip, and they also have the famous queso dip that you may want to check out. They've also got a promotion for family pasta night. So if you want to pick up your pasta, your sauce, and your ground beef, you may want to check that out while you're there. Back to the sweetest savings. So they've got all kind of Valentine's Day plushes for $10. They've got buy two, get one free for the Jolly Ranchers candy, and so many more deals to love. So they have $1 deals for the Valentine's Day bags. They've got deals on the tissue paper to stuff the bags. They have the I Love You balloons. They have everything that you need, Valentine's Day plates and paper napkins for $1. So on to the breakfast for less. If you're into coffee, you may want to stock up. They've got juices on sale. They've also got sweet treats. So if you need Little Debbie snacks, they're on sale 2 for $6. If you've got some dinner ideas that you want to pull together, they have the Taco Tuesday dinner. Buy two, get one free for all of the Taco Bell products. So you may want to check that out as well. And then they have their brands, Your Savings. So you want to check out the True Living. And they have bleach, they have wipes, they have trash bags, paper towel, and bath tissue. Satisfaction guaranteed. They have the switch to save on the medications. So if you need cough drops, pain medications, and cough medicine, you may want to give that a check out as well. Lastly, we're down here to some of the cleaning products and dollar deals. Dollar Tree may no longer just be $1, but there are still dollar deals remaining at Dollar General. So you may want to check out that out. They've got cleaning vinegar, cleaning bleach. They've got paper towel. They've got tissue, and tons of items for $1. So that does still exist. For the Fresh Home Fresh deals, they've got Finish dish detergent tabs. And again, we've got some Fabuloso. We've got Palmolive. They're 2 for $5. And Lysol, there's a $2 digital coupon that you may want to check out. On the spend list on Home's must-have, they have quite a few items as well. So there's also the hefty trash cans. They've got the storage bins, paper towels, and then fresh decor budget-friendly fonts. There's a BOGO on the comforters and quilts. And then they've also got the BOGO on cutting boards and also on some of the rolled up rugs. If you've got the Swiffer system, there's a digital coupon there. Save 10 when you buy any two Swiffer products, regularly $10 or more. Moving on to the medications, they've got a save 50 cents for the NyQuil and DayQuil since it's cold and flu season. And if you're in the market for Always, you'll want to take advantage of the digital coupon. Save $8 on your next purchase when you spend $25 on any Tampax, Always, or Always Discreet products. Now, why pay more for drugstore prices if the Dollar General brand works for you? So they've got save 50 cents on Tussin, they've got vitamins on sale, and they also have a save $2 on Mucinex or Delsum. For the personal care closer to home, there's a save $3 digital coupon for Dove's Men Care. There's also a digital coupon for saving $2 when you spend $6 on any Suave product, regularly priced between $3 and $8.50. Also, there's a save $2 digital coupon on Dove products, save $1.50 on the Dow or Tone products, save $2.50 on the Irish Spring and the soft soap, and save $2 on the Root to End products. Now for the dental care, there's a save $6 when you buy $5, and that's on the specific Colgate products. There's a save $1 on Listerine, save $2 on Tresemme, and save $8 when you buy 2 of the L'Oreal Paris hair color. For the You by Kotex, there's a save $1 or 3 for $6, which is a really good deal on the Breeze feminine care products. And then for pet care, you've got save $1 on the Purina One. There's a sale for $5.50 for Gravy Train. And for cats, there's a $1.50 off Purina coupon, and there's a 12 for $7.50 sale on 9 Lives. Your pet's favorite brands, there's a $1 digital coupon for Heartland, a $1 digital coupon for the Heartland Farms, and it's a $10.50 sale for the Heartlands Farms for your cats. So as you can see, there are tons of great deals this week at Dollar General, far too many to read in one sitting, but head over to your Dollar General app. Be sure to clip that 5 off of 25 if you're going in the store on Saturday, and any other digital coupons so that you can have some great savings and enjoy your shopping experience at Dollar General. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.